After completing division word problem, after completing this division word problem, take a new page, write down today's date, then write down the heading, chapter number 7, coins and notes. After writing the heading, you have to write this heading, that Indian currency is rupees. Then second line, the symbol for rupees is, this way you have to write the sign rupees sign. Then third line you have to write the symbol for paise is P. After completing this 3 line, leave 1 line and start our exercise, page number 42. Then copy the question from your textbook. Ajay has 9 notes. The total value of those notes is rupees 500. Which notes does Ajay have and how many of each? This is your question number 2. This you have to write in your maths notebook. Okay. After writing this question, you have to first understand the question. What is given in the question? See here, Ajay, he is having 9 notes. Only notes given, but which denominator means which type, which note he is having means 2 rupee note, 5 rupee note, 10 rupee note, 20 rupees note. This note is not mentioned here. Only he is having 9 notes, and the total value of those 9 note is rupees 500. The value means amount is given and number of note is given. And what question they ask that which notes does Ajay have and how many of each, means which notes he is having, either 50 rupee note, 100 rupee note, 10 rupee note, 20, that we have to find out. So what is given in this question? Amount, that is rupees 500, and notes are total 9 notes, amount 500. This is given and we have to find out which notes he is having and how many. So let's start. I have taken here 8 notes of rupees 50. Means 50-50, I have taken 8 notes. So 8 multiplied by 50, when you will multiply this 50 notes, you will get 50 8s means 50 into 8, you will get the amount 400. So rupees 400 you will get. Now from 9 notes, 8 notes I have taken of 50 rupees. So how many notes are remain now? Only 1 note is remain. So that 1 note, I will take 1 note of rupees 100 to make my amount 500. So 1 into 100, the amount is rupees 100. 1 into 100 you will multiply, you will get the answer 100. So when afterwards you have to add all this, 400 plus 100, you will get the amount 500, and the number of note is also same, that is 8 plus 1, 9. So our final answer is Ajay has 8 notes of rupees 50 and 1 note of rupees 100. Clear? Okay. Now move on to the next number, number 3. Swati has some 100 rupee notes, 50 rupee notes and 20 rupee notes. Here note is given, means which note she is having. If the total value of the note is rupees 500, here again the value of the amount of the note is 100, how many notes of each denomination does Swati have? So our question is, she is having 100 rupee note, 20 rupees note and 50 rupees note, and the amount is 500. You have to find the denomination, means numbers you have to find, means 100 rupee how many notes, 50 rupee how many notes and 20 rupees how many notes. This way you have to find the question first, what they have asked. So let's start with our answer. See, I have taken 3 notes of rupees 100. So if I will take 100 rupee 3 notes, then 100, 100, 100 means 100 3s are, amount will be 300 rupees. Then next I have taken 2 notes of 50 rupees. I have taken 2 notes of 50, then 50 plus 50, 2 into 50 means if I will multiply that 50 rupee note, then total amount will be rupees 100. Now next I will take 5 notes of rupees 20, means 20 I have taken 5 notes of 20 rupees. So 5 into 20, the amount will be 100 rupees. After multiplying all these numbers, I will add all this amount. 300 plus 100, 400, 400 plus 100, 500. So my amount will be 500, and the notes they have given 100 rupees, 50 rupees and 20 rupees. So finally I got the answer here. The final answer is Swati has 3 notes of rupees 100. See here I have taken 3 notes of rupees 100 and then 2 notes of rupees 50 and 5 notes of rupees 20. These they have asked in the question, that which denomination how many she have. So clear? Swati has 3 notes of rupees 100, 2 notes of rupees 50 and 5 notes of rupees 20 to complete that amount of 500. Clear? Okay, now move on to the next number, number 4. Nandu has 6 notes. Here notes, number of notes are 6. The total value of the note is rupees 1000. Here the value is 1000 and the number of note is 6. What they have asked, which notes does Nandu have and how many of each? Means which notes he is having, whether 50 rupee notes, 5 rupee note, 1 rupee note, 10 rupee note, that we have to find in this question. So let's start with our answer. 6 notes. So from 6 notes I have taken 5 notes of rupees 100. So if I will take 5 notes of 100, multiply it 5 into 100, our amount will be rupees 500. Now from 6 notes, already I have taken 5 notes, only 1 note is remaining. So 1 note of rupees 500 I will take. So 1 into 500, my amount will be 500 because I have to complete this amount 1000. So 500 plus 500, total amount will be 1000. And the number of note is also same. See, 5 plus 1, 6 notes and amount is 1000. So our final answer is, see, you have to write here 500 rupees, 100 notes and 500 rupee only 1 note. After writing this final amount, final answer is Nandu has 5 notes of rupees 100 and only 1 note of rupees 500 to complete the amount 1000, and number of note is also same, that is 6. Clear? Okay. Now question number 5. Salma has 11 notes. Here number of note is 11. If the total value of the note is rupees 1000, means the value, the amount is 1000 and number of note is 11. So which notes does Salma have and how many of each? This is the question. That we have to find the number of notes she is having with the amount. Means which note she is having to complete the amount 1000. So let's start with our answer. From 11 notes, I have taken 9 notes of rupees 100. 9 notes of rupees 100. 100, 100, I have taken 9 notes. So multiply 9 into 100. The amount will be rupees 900. Now from 11, 9 notes I have taken. How many notes remain now? Only 2. So 2 notes of rupees 50 I have taken. So 2 into 50, our amount will be 100 rupees. Rupees 100. 50 multiplied by 2, amount is rupees 100. So I will add all this amount, 900 plus 100, our total amount, total value is 1000 rupees and number of note is also same, that is 9 plus 2, 11 notes with the amount, the value 1000. So 900 rupees I have taken 900 rupee note, and for 100 I have taken 250 rupee notes. Our final answer is Salma has 9 notes of rupees 100 and 2 notes of rupees 50. Clear? Okay, thank you.